Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get medium-sized legs in Roblox. First, open the Roblox application or website on your device. Then, navigate to the Avatar Editor section to begin customizing your character's appearance. This is where you'll find all the tools needed to adjust body parts, including leg dimensions. It's a straightforward process once you know where to look, ensuring you can achieve your desired look quickly and easily. To start, launch Roblox and look for the avatar icon, usually found on the left-hand side menu. Clicking this will take you directly to the avatar customization page. This is your creative hub, where you can modify every aspect of your character, from head to toe. Getting here is the first crucial step towards achieving those perfectly proportioned medium legs for your avatar. Once in the avatar editor, find the body category and then select legs. You'll see sliders that control the height and width of your avatar's legs. Experiment with these sliders, moving them until you achieve a medium size that looks balanced with the rest of your character. There isn't one exact number, so trust your eye to find the perfect proportion. After you've adjusted the leg sliders to your satisfaction and achieved that medium size, it's time to finalize your changes. Look for a Save or Apply button, typically located at the bottom of the editor. Click it to confirm your new avatar appearance. Now you can proudly showcase your character with its perfectly proportioned, medium-sized legs in any Roblox experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.